The only reason for pain is non-acceptance. As long as you are accepting things and people as they are, you will never know what is pain. Now check with your situations. All your pains are because of non-acceptance. You didn't accept that person as he is or as she is. You're not accepting things or situations or people as they are. So pain is equal to non-acceptance. And once you're not accepting something as it is, then you will have problems, all that list. So why we don't accept things as they are? What's our problem? Why do we expect things to be different? There is a person in front of you. Suppose he is your life partner. How can he be according to you? He is himself. You are yourself. You cannot meet others' expectations completely. They cannot meet your expectations completely. They're supposed to be themselves, right? Nobody is born or made for us. Neither are we. Right? But in relationships, all the pain is because of expectations. You expect them to be something to you. How is it possible? How is it possible? 100% at least. It's not possible. No? Initially in the college days, if I meet my girlfriend once in a week, I'm very happy. After marriage, if she is after marriage, all the time she is with me, still I'm not happy. It's all in you, right? It's not in the person. At that point of time, she meeting once in a week itself is enough for me. Now it's like, okay, even if she's here with me now, I have lots of expectations. She has lots of expectations. That will make me uncomfortable. So this is about relationships. But things happen in life. Unfortunate things happen in life. Death. Losing a person. Most difficult thing to accept. Because you don't expect. But it is quite natural. Can we predict about anyone, even ourselves? We don't know what next moment is, right? They may lose us, we may lose them. Everything is so impermanent. If one is done with their journey, they are gone. In fact, even there, you're not happy, you're not sad because of the death. You are sad because of the death of a person who you cared. Death is not bothering you. Death of a person for who you cared. Otherwise, deaths are happening all around, every day, every moment. Death is not causing any problem to you. Death of a person who is close to you. That is causing the problem. You are not able to detach. You are not able to let go. You are not able to accept the truth. Non-acceptance. So remember this word, non-acceptance. Wherever there is pain, just see where there is non-acceptance in your life. Identify where. The area where you are not accepting things or people or situations as they are. And accept it. Most people think that acceptance is a compromise. Acceptance is not a compromise. It's spiritual intelligence. If you are spiritually intelligent, you will accept things as they are. Accept people as they are. Because you are operating on truth. That everybody is created by God. Everybody is bound to be the way He wants to. He wants that creation to be. Everybody will be natural selves. Just because you are expecting, they won't change. Just because you are expecting, situations won't change. Right? Most of the people struggle to accept after we say that acceptance will, will make you free from pain. They say that, how can I accept? Why should I accept? These are the questions. Where are these questions coming from? Ego, which is also called as ignorance. These two words are same for me. Ego or ignorance, both are same. Okay? There's one more reason why you should accept. Not just to avoid pain. You will be stuck there till you accept things. You cannot move even a step further without accepting. Single step also you can't go ahead. You are stuck. If you don't accept, you are stuck there. You are stuck and you are going away from your joy. You may move ahead in time, but internally you are stuck. You lost your joy there. You're carrying yourself as a burden. Without acceptance, if you are carrying yourself forward, it is so burdensome journey. You're not free. You are not free. So I'm not asking you to compromise here. I want you to understand here that you don't have any right not to accept anything. You don't have right. Do you have a right? Sorry, sir, I don't accept you with t-shirt. Here, come with a lalchi and... Can I say that? What right I have? Your wish, your life. Right? So about any minor or major aspect, you don't have any right to expect things to be different. So first you are expecting things to be different. That's why you're not accepting things. That's why you're creating pain. And you are suffering. What is the difference between pain and suffering? Pain is non-acceptance. Suppose I got fever. Okay? Okay, I got fever. Joyfully I can accept it. But otherwise I can say, why did I get this fever now? So that kind of thinking causes pain. And over that, I think too much and create that into suffering. Pain is a natural thing. We are bound to reject a few things like we will struggle to accept. That's why pain happens. But you have a choice for suffering. Most people suffer because of themselves, not because of situations or people. Pain is natural. Okay, you will come across people and situations which are not okay to you. Pain is understood. But people go on wasting time and energy thinking all the time about it and convert that pain into suffering. Multiplying the pain is called suffering. When you have pain, try to accept things and become free from pain. Instead, if we convert that into suffering, worse. You know what happens when you don't accept? You react. You react to things. But if you accept, what happens is, first you accept things as they are, then you act to create things in a better way. Without acceptance, there is only scope for reacting. So Eckhart Tolle says, the author of Power of Now says, don't react. Instead, replace it with accept plus act. First accept things as they are. If you don't like something, first accept it, then create the way you want it. Suppose I go to a restaurant, I order idli. I didn't like it. What do? Keep cribbing about it, keep scolding the people, still eat? No, right? I'll say this is not fine. Change it. I accept that he has given me a wrong item. I'm not okay with it. But still I accepted the happening. Then I say, I have accepted it, but now I say, now what? For you to come to now without getting stuck in the past, you need to accept. Only in the now you can create again with awareness. But if you are not able to come to the present moment, you are stuck in the past, you cannot create things better for your future. So do you want to get stuck or accept and restart? Accept everything. Make a list of things that you are not accepting first. Make a big list of things. What all things you don't accept? How do you identify? They give you pain. Wherever you have pain, there is an area where you are not accepting. There is a person, there is a situation, there is a happening. It can be about yourself or others. It need not always be external. There are a lot of things that you don't accept within yourself.